SiccaDania is a global engineering company specialized in producing and delivering evaporators, spray dryers, and process plants for the food industry. SiccaDania is headquartered in Denmark and works around the world with different entities and subsidiaries in China, New Zealand, Singapore, and France. The challenge is to have unique skills from each country and to be able to take advantage of all of them on any project in the world. A global conception with a local implication. For this specific project, SiccaDania France worked with one of the suppliers located within 50 kilometers of the customer site. Romain Caillot, Managing Director of SiccaDania France, goes to Denmark for the launch meeting of the project and presents the specific points of the contract where high care is required. For SiccaDania, it is also important to develop partnerships with its suppliers, to be able to share its know-how and culture of excellence. It is almost an ethical question in their business. The most beautiful designs only make sense when they start to come alive. The manufacture of a drying chamber, a cyclone, the transportation and delivery to the site. All of this requires the involvement of all local stakeholders. In this project, suppliers with the same type of skills have followed the same end goal: to deliver to the customer on time with outstanding quality. Logistical transport is part of a unifying component that binds stakeholders together. The stakes are high. The non-standard dimensions mean that the entire road network is blocked during 2 days. 70 kilometers to go and many turns to negotiate and narrow passages to cross. Many high voltage or very high voltage power lines to ground or raise. Traffic is complex and requires the presence of many vehicles and motorcycle drivers. Most of the signs are disassembled, and many onlookers are there for the show. This is an event that also allows the locals to encourage the convoy. In the evening of the first day, we must find an unconventional parking area. The next morning, everyone is on deck. The villages are not planned for this kind of transport, and yet there is no other way around. End of the second day. The lifting of the chamber will take place the next morning. The spire culminates at nearly 50 meters high, and it is necessary to turn the parts before entering in the building, which will be closed right afterwards. For several months, it will be necessary to connect all the components together and install all the piping. An employee of SiccaDania is permanently present on the site and is fully integrated into the team.
We believe that our model for engaging with customers and executing projects for process equipment is a very strong model. We get very positive feedback from our customers. They like the flexibility with which we work together. Based on that, we believe that SiccaDania will develop into one of the technology leaders of the world. We are already almost there, and we will solidify that position over the next few years.